Overcomers, from the time I made my first $1 online, I knew that there was a possibility for me to make $100 online. I knew it was possible for me to make $1,000 online, $10,000 online, and the possibility is endless. I want you to know that as a Christian, you have the power in your hands to change lives, to transform lives, to change generations. And you know, as you impact lives, that's how financially you also are going to be blessed. A few days ago, I was talking with a friend whose dad was to be operated in the hospital. And this friend had bought a poster and she was like just saying, I wish that poster comes so early. Because she wanted to give it to her dad so that her dad would place that poster at his bedside in the hospital before the surgery. And it was such an encouraging thing for me to see that when the poster came, I saw that it was a Bible verse. I was just so encouraged that what I do online is impacting lives. So many people are hurting. So many people are going through so many challenges in life. Many people are struggling, and the solution can be found from the Word of God. And guess what? You can take the Word of God, put it on things that are already trending, put it on things that people are already wanting to buy. And as you impact lives, that's how you will also make money. So overcomers, if we are not yet making money online, it's because we just don't know what to do. And it's okay, because if you are watching this video, I know that it's because you are desiring to change your life. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you some of the things that I sell online, things that have changed my life, and things that I am certain that as you start following them step by step and as you start doing them, it's definitely going to change your life. If you look at this shop, look at all the Christian things that they are selling. You can brand your shop like this. So anyway, let me show you how to create this design. And before I started, I thought these things were so complicated to make. I thought they were so difficult. And if you don't have any designing skill, it's so difficult. But guess what? The platform I'm going to be showing you today, it's so easy to use. You can create any kind of design and the end product will look so professional. Nobody will ever tell that you did not know what you were doing. So overcomers, let me show you step by step how you can start your own shop so that by the end of this video, you will have a shop that you are proud of. I'm going to show you how to use Kittl to create amazing design, and I'm going to show you how you are going to put them on print on demand. So what that means is that you are going to take the designs that you've made, put them on a product, and then sell them on a platform. And if any of your customer buys this product, the print on demand platform is going to print this product and they are going to ship it directly to your customer. So the most important thing that I want you to focus on is on creating that amazing and trending product. When you do that, then the sky is your limit. And when you create that product once, you post it online, you keep having sales from that product. And when you've already learned the process throughout, you no longer have any limitation because you can make it over and over. You go ahead, the products that are selling so well, you go ahead and repeat them. So click on the link down below that says Kittl and it's going to bring you here. When you come here, overcomers, I'm just so amazed with all the templates that we have here. When you come here under templates, you have logos, you have posters, you have cards, you have all these different things that you can create. So you can pick any of them and start designing. So what I'm going to be showing you today, you can repeat it on any of these other products that are here. Now you can come here, click on any one, t-shirt, logos, you can follow any of them here. You can see samples here. It's just so amazing. If you know exactly what you are looking for, you can just come here, type it and search. And another thing that I really like here is that when you come here under this place, you can sort here. You can sort it by recent, most used, trending. So let's click on trending and you are going to see something. You are going to see the ones that are trending now. So if we come here to most used, for example, let's just look here. Just look at this. Look at this design, overcomers. 151,000 something people have already used it. It means that even if you are new and you don't even know what you are doing, just the fact that many people have used this design, it means that this design is in high demand. So you can just look at things like that. Look at this one. Just look at this. So you can go through and look at the things that are trending. You can just come here and check any one step by step. Let's say, for example, we come here to poster. Right? If you come here, you do the same thing. You see the posters that are trending. Look at this one. I really like this one. You just go through it and see the ones that are trending. And from here, if you want to design a poster, for example, you go ahead and take it. You can customize it and then just use it on your own design. And of course, if you want to create a new one, you are going to come here on new project, click here. You can start your own project from scratch. But one thing that I like to do is that I like to take something that is already existing, something that is already looking good, and then I put my own touch on it and make it beautiful. So after searching, so let's just customize this one, and then we are going to see how to do it. So if you want to customize it, you come here, you just click on it like this. So now if we look at this one, it says do something you've never done to get something you've never had. It's a very beautiful quote that we can use, right? But you can just come and take something like this and change it and put like a scripture, for example. Instead of keeping this, so I'm going to customize this, and I'm going to use the Bible verse that says, I am doing a new thing. Do you not see it, or do you not perceive it? So I'm going to customize that Bible verse and use it here. So you can go ahead and change yours into anything. You can go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to give you encouraging Bible verses, you know, based on whatever your situation is. You can get it just like that. So let's come here. So with this like this, if you want to change the colors, you can just come here, change the color to any color that you want. For example, if you want to change this into red, you can just come here, you click here, you go ahead, and then you just change the color just like that. So you can see how we are beginning to customize it. The ones that are white, you can go ahead and change it anyhow that you want. So now I've put the Bible verse here. It says, see, I am doing a new thing. Do you not see it? So I can just go ahead and make some changes, like something like this. If we don't want it, we can delete it, you know. Then another thing that you can do is that you can just come here to element and then search in element anything that you see. Let's say, for example, you just come here. You can come here, or you come here to abstract. You go here to see all. You can take anything. See, there are many different kind of things that you can just take and put on your design. If you come here, it's the same thing. You can just come here, for example. Look at all these kind of things. For example, you can just take something like this and then you reduce it. Just like this. You can put it somewhere like here, and then you change the color. Maybe you want the color to be black. You just change it like that, and you can just go ahead and make all those changes. There are just so many things that you can do with your design. You see, you just take it and put it somewhere like this, and then you go ahead and change it to black. The reason why I made this background white, so when you are creating your design, when you have it on a white background like this, just know that it will be best on a white t-shirt. If you have it on a black background, then you know that it will be best on a black t-shirt. So we can take something like this and just even put it here, just like this. And then you can also make changes. You can make it into red just like this. Look at what we have done here. And so you just go ahead and design your t-shirt as much as you want. Something that I like about Kittl, let me show you. You can come here like this. So you've seen how we have been coming here and making changes on the color. So let's say we want to change it into another color. We can just change it like this. Another thing that you can do, you can come to effect like this, and you can add some effect on this. If you click here, you can see some kind of effect. If you cannot see it very well, let me do it here so you can see it. So you just come here. You see how when you click here, you can see the effect, you can see the changes. Another thing that I want to show you here, let's say you click on this particular one. If you come here under transformation, there are different things. You can make it wavy like that. You can make it rise like that. So you can see the changes. You can see the angle. And then you can make all those changes too. And then you confirm it. That's how you want to leave it. You just allow it like that. Also, if you want to change like the font, you can just come here, take any one that you like from here. So I want us to just come here also to show all. So let's say we take this, for example, and then you can even change the color. Let's say we want to make it red instead. You can just come here and make it red like that. And then you can leave this black one here, just like this. And then this color that is here, instead of leaving this one here alone, you can also just come and change it so that it matches this one here. And you can go ahead and just make any changes that you want, so you can see how easy it is that we have changed this. Another thing that I like to do is that whenever I create my design, I'm just going to come here like this, and then I duplicate it and I paste just like this, and then I'm going to make one red, make one black. I can make it on different designs. So I'll come here and I'll change this background to be black. I'll highlight this cover just like this, and I'll come here where we have white, and I'll change it to black. All these colors that were black, I'm going to go ahead and I'll change it to white. Now this one is based on white t-shirts, this one is based on black t-shirts. So now we are done with this. let's put it on a mock-up and then we are going to see how it looks. So let's take this one for example, create a mock-up. So now look at it on a t-shirt. If you put it on a t-shirt, it's going to look something like this. So if you want to sell it on something like candle, then it's going to be something like this. So these are different options that you can put your design on. So you can see how it looks. This is how it's going to look on top of the wall, and the Bible verse is there. God is about to do a new thing. Do you not see it? Do you believe that he's doing a new thing in your life? And as you put this thing into practice, guess what? God obviously will be doing a new thing in your life. Then we'll go ahead and we download them. In order for you to download, let's come here. You click here on this download button. So you look here, you see how the width and the length is. I always like to do 4,500 by 5,400. That's a good weight for Printify and the platforms that I use for publishing. I'll change it here to 300 to make it very high quality. And then you go ahead, you click here to remove background because we want to download a transparent background. When it's transparent, you are able to put it on any product. And then you come here, you optimize the quality. So if you are downloading everything, you are just going to click here, highlight everything just like this, and you download everything in a folder. But I just want to download one. I'll just go ahead and take out this one because I want to download number 2. And if everything is perfect, you just click here just like this, and then you are going to download your design. If you have gotten any value from this video, go ahead and give it a like so that YouTube algorithm will be able to share it with others. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and we are so excited to have you join our family. You can see it here, is so pretty. See, I am doing a new thing. Do you not see it? Do you see the new thing that the Lord is doing in your life? If you see the new thing, overcomers, I want you to declare in the comment section that God is doing a new thing in my life. So now that we have our design downloaded, I want you to go down to the comment section and click on the link that says Printifier, and it's going to bring you here. Now while you are here, you go ahead and create your account if you don't have an account. And if you come here to this catalog here, you will see all kind of design. Let's just click here and you'll see what will happen. You can put that same design that you have designed like that on many different products. So let's just start by creating a poster. So if you come here, you just come under these ones like this, you'll see canvas, you'll see posters. Let's just say we take a poster for example. There are many different posters here. So now that we are here, you just come here, pick any of the design you want to use. Let's say we want to sell our design on this. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to come here, start designing just like this. I'm just going to show you very quick, and then you come here to upload. You click here like this, go to your computer, and then you just upload it. When we created this design, our intention was that we wanted it to be on a black background, right? So you just come here and change this white to black. And guess what? That's how it's going to look. And overcomers, you can actually change it into many different colors. So this is how you can change it into different colors, but preferably darker colors will make it look very beautiful. So let's just go with black as it was our intention from the beginning. You can come here and select different variations, different variations that you want to give with this product. You go ahead and do that, and then you can preview it here and see how it's going to look. And you can just see different versions of it. If you are doing this, you just make sure that your design fits on the product that you are going to use. And overcomers, you can go and follow this other video that I've already done, walking you through step by step how to create your Etsy shop. I've already done another video showing you how to connect everything so that when your customer buys your product, you don't need to do any manual thing. It's just going to be automatic. Printifier is going to print it directly and ship it to your customer. So go ahead and watch those videos and make sure that you set up your shop correctly. Look at our design on a t-shirt. Look at this other t-shirt that I have. God is my CEO. I am an overcomer. All those things, this is how you design them. So you can now put your designs on t-shirt, you can put your design on hoodies, you can put your designs on candle, you can put it on mugs, you can put it on phone cases. Overcomers, the opportunities are limitless. So go ahead and start creating all your designs and go ahead and start your shop. One thing that you should know is that when you see these best-selling products, right, and then you take a best-selling design that is well designed and put on those best-selling products, guess what? You are going to have a best-selling product. Thank you so much, Kittl, for collaborating with us. Because of Kittl, we are able to create this amazing design. So go ahead, overcomers, and create your Kittl account, and I'm so excited to see what we create. If this is your first time here, I'm so happy to see you join the overcoming family. If you want to know how to sell your products, I want you to click on the next video that is showing you step by step how to advertise your products using AI. To let me know that you watched this video up to the end, write it in the comment section that I am an overcomer, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon